Welcome to video 1 of Developing Your Superpower with AI. Today we're going to be talking about the business name generator and how you can utilize it to come up with a business name, an event name, a product name, whatever it is that you want to come up with that needs a buzzy name and a tagline. This AI assistant is for you. So what you want to do is you want to take your mouse, you want to go to the Chat Now button, and you want to click it to open up the chat box. So you'll see again that we've got the what the AI assistant is going to do and how it can help you. And then we have some instructions here on exactly what it is it needs from you to help come up with a great name. And that because it is a name generator, it's pre-prompted. That means that it has a set of instructions that have already been coded into it to assist you and give you the best answer. And these are the questions that it needs to know to help you out. Now, again, with AI, the more information you give, the better answers it can give back to you. So if we start with, we sell canoes, which is just a very basic answer. Okay, great. It needs to know, what is our, unique selling point? Who's our target audience? What are the core values? It would be helpful if you could share some information. So if we did this, and I'm going to just paste this here. So if we did this, okay, let me just paste this here. Okay, we sell to people who like the outdoors, 100% Canadian, family run, sustainable. We only use fallen trees. We use birch for our canoes, and we like the words grand, great, etc. So this gives it at least a starting point. Hit enter on that. All right, so thanks for coming up, providing us with this info. Here are some names. Great Paddle Adventure, Grand Birch Canoes, Canadian Wildcraft Canoes, Great North. So it's really going with that Canadian on a fill. Birchwood Canoe Company, True North Paddle, Grand Timber Canoes, Eco Venture Canoes. Oh, I like that one. That's got a little bit of a snap to it. Northern Breeze or Canadian Heritage. So where are we? Eco Venture Canoes. I do like that. So I'm just going to copy this. This just allows me to choose a couple things. Eco Venture Canoes. And what about a tagline? Explore the great outdoors with great paddle adventures, elegance and craftsman. I kind of like that. Navigate the great out north, one paddle at a time, handcrafted excellence. Discover your true, pristine, sustainable. No, I do really like explore the great outdoors. Let's go here. And then we're going to change this to with Eco Venture Canoes. So I like it, but can it be a little bit snappier, a little bit better? So I like the following. But I do like the handcrafted part of it. Can you give me some ideas that showcase that we are, the showcase our handcrafted canoes. Okay, so what's it going to say? Handcrafted kit. Okay, so it's taking what I said that I liked and it's kind of giving variations of this as well. For that, handcrafted canoes for unforgettable wilderness, handcrafted experience the great outdoor adventure with handcrafted canoes, discover great outdoors. Nothing's got that snap like the first one did. No, so Eco Ventures is the name. And I think we're going to go and roll with this. So we are going with Paste that again, Ego Ventures. Okay. And I think that is it. Thanks again. I always like to be very thoughtful, even though it's a machine you're talking to. It does help them learn as well. Any other suggestions now that we know the name and tagline? Okay, so what else do we need? Now that we've done this, here's what we need to think about. Logo design, social media presence, content creation, partnerships, sustainable packaging. That's a great idea. Local community involvement. Consistency is the key in building our brand. Perfect. Ensure all your marketing efforts align with your brand values of sustainability, hand craftsmanship, and the spirit of outdoor adventure. Best of luck with your business and brand. Oh, thank you. And it's as easy as that. When you're utilizing the business name generator, you give it the information that you know to help you come up with the best possible name. Now this, again, we use for a business name with a tagline. It could be an event. It could be a product that you're coming up with. It could be a service that you're coming up with. It could be anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be the business's name. It's just a business name for your event, a business name for your product, and so on. Utilize the AI, utilize this business name generator to help you get the best possible name for whatever it is you need it for. Also, utilizing AI helps you come up with those quick ideas fast, rather than sitting here for hours at your desk trying to write up ideas and come up with the best possible idea. This is 5-7 minutes worth of work and back and forth where you get some really good answers. Let the AI do the heavy lifting when it comes to this, and you focus on doing the heavy lifting of your business and getting more sales and building your brand. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video when we're going to be talking about customer persona generator and how it can help you identify exactly who the perfect customer is for you and your company.